Hi folks, it's John from kingstonsandblasting.com. I'd like to share with you what are the components that we're sandblasting. At our parent company, Last Chance Auto Store, we have this 1965 Sport Fury on a rotisserie that we're sandblasting. You can see we've done some of the front section of that firewall. So it had some rust proofing on it. So from 1965, a lot of road debris and old paint and rust. So just show you with the correct pressure and the correct media, you can sandblast not only a shell or a body like this, but also fenders, inner fenders, and doors, and so on. So here is a perfect example. This is an inner fender for this Sport Fury, and this is the inside section, which would be going in the engine bay side that you would see when you lift up the hood. It had some undercoating and overspray on it, and it turned out really nicely with the media blasting. And then what I'll do is I'll show you this other side, because it's difficult. We used to have a third-party company used to come here and do the media blasting for us, but unfortunately when it came to doing this, and I think the camera can pick it up, this is extremely hard and quite thick undercoating, and it's got about 3 layers, and to try and get it with a scraper, it doesn't really work. We try not to use really strong chemicals, so this is a perfect alternative, and it's media blasting, and we do it here at kingstonsandblasting.com. So this whole inner fender had this heavy coating of rust proofing inside the whole thing. So what I did is just I media blasted basically around it to show you how nice and smooth it comes off. So if you can picture it, all this really heavy, thick stuff went all the way through, and I think the camera can pick it up how nice that cleans up. So what we'll do is we'll just continue to sandblast the rest of this off, and then this inner piece will look just as nice as this other side. And then once this is all done, this is ready for a 2-part epoxy to seal it. But basically what we're doing is we're making a 1965 inner fender look like brand new again and protect it better than they ever protected it from the factory with the new primers that they have now. So just something interesting that I wanted to share, is most places have a lot of difficulty sandblasting undercoating or thick debris off, and we don't seem to have much difficulty with that. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from kingstonsandblasting.com.